Talk about volatility today for Palantir stock. Oh my goodness, guys. We opened up at $62 per share. Then we popped to about $63.50 in the first couple of minutes. We were looking really good. And then we started chopping around $62 to $63.50 for the next couple of hours. Then in the middle of the day, we ended up selling off all the way into close, and we actually went down over 1.2% on the day, closing at $61.30. So guys, we have to do an update, break down my thoughts, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So, like I said, guys, PLTR ended up going down over 1.2% on the day, and we were chopping around all day. I mean, volatility was pretty evident across, the stock market today, if you will. Not really the entire stock market, but in certain stocks out there. And Palantir was definitely one of them, right? Definitely one of them, which initially yesterday when NVIDIA reported earnings, Palantir went down after the bell. We can see here, if I zoom in on this 5-day, 5-minute, Palantir closed at about $62 yesterday, and we got down to almost under $60 in the aftermarket yesterday, guys. And that's after we saw volatility yesterday as well. We actually sold off at open yesterday, followed by a midday rally, and then we got more selling in the aftermarket. So what we're essentially seeing right here, if I zoom in on the 5-day, 5-minute, is consolidation. Palantir has been consolidating over the last 1, 2, 3, maybe 3.5 trading days. We're holding pretty steady in the mid to low 60s, right? 60, 61, 62, that general range. And like I called out in my video yesterday, which it looks like it's still intact, we have a descending triangle. Do you guys see it right here? We have lower highs being made into the support at around $60 to $61 per share, which I'll be honest, it's not the most bullish pattern. In fact, it's a bearish pattern, which if it plays out, we go under $58, $59 a share. This could start slipping even further. The triangle then would play out, and who knows? We could get more downside, guys. In fact, at that point, I guess if the triangle plays out, we will get more downside, right? And you guys remember the head and shoulders that we were calling out and talking about here on PLTR? Well, that's still intact as well. We have the left shoulder right here, the right shoulder's right here, or excuse me, the head's right here, and then the right shoulder is right here, which, guys, the neckline is still very much intact. We covered this in my video yesterday, and notice, if I zoom in a little bit, where did we get rejected this morning and yesterday and the day before, for that matter? $63.40 to 50 cents. Literally, we hit that point on the dot this morning, 63.40, and we got rejected. It's clear as day. The neckline of that head and shoulders is a massive resistance right now, guys, which clearly we hit that point on the 13th of November, about a week ago. Then we got the pop to 67. That's the neck here, or excuse me, the head of the head and shoulders. And now over the last 3 days of trading, again, we've been struggling in the mid 63s. So if this plays out, big if this, head and shoulders plays out, the descending triangle plays out, we could get something like this on PLTR. A big dump off, more selling, a move towards the 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, which is anywhere from $50 to $52 per share is where it'd be at. that is where this could sell off to, potentially. If this head and shoulders plays out, if we fall through the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, if that descending triangle plays out as well, we could be going down low mid 50s. But on top of that, another thing worth mentioning, if we're able to somehow break the mid 63s, get back to 64, higher than that, then the head and shoulders goes out the window. Then we start gunning for the highs, the all-time highs being $67.45. And I do want this thing to break out. I do want Palantir to continue going up, seeing the gains, seeing all the green. It's a beautiful thing, right? We've been waiting for a long time for this to happen, but another part of me is like, honestly, I wouldn't mind if it sold off to the low mid 50s. Part of me wouldn't mind that because A, it'll be a healthy pullback. B, it'll shake out a lot of weak hands. Maybe some short-term money in the stock will get shaken out. And C, buyers that are on the sidelines that are waiting to buy the stock or maybe add more to it, maybe they come in on that bigger dip if it were to go down to $50, $52 per share. And I'll be the first to tell you, man, my average cost is in the low 20s, $21, wherever the heck it's at exactly. It's definitely in that 21 range. I forget the exact cent number. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for the sake of this video, guys. But even me, I'm in at 21 bucks. I would consider nibbling a little more PLTR if it were to come down to 50 bucks, 48, 52. I would consider it. I really would. And I'm curious what you guys are thinking about that. I'm curious. If we do get this sell-off to 50 bucks, 52 bucks, are you going to buy more? Are you going to just hold on to what you have? Are you going to sell? I don't know. I mean, maybe some of you guys will sell. I have no idea. What are you doing? And if you're not in the stock right now, I'm curious, and you're watching this video, are you waiting for a bigger pullback, like maybe to 50 bucks to buy more shares? I'm really curious kind of where your head's at. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And you might as well sign up to the email list. Forgot about that. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your inbox. And the beautiful thing is that it's free. So if you want my top 3 stocks every Monday, put your first name and your email using that link in the description box down below. And yeah, that's a quick update here on PLTR. And let me set my alerts before I forget as we're heading into tomorrow, which is Friday. I'm going to set an alert here at mark is at or above $63.50 so we can see if we break out of that neckline. That's going to be big for the bulls. And I'll put another alert at, I'll do 2 more. I'll put one at 60. Mark is at or below $60 per share. And I'll do another one at, let's say, 59. Mark is at or below $59 per share. Let me create that. So, okay, mark is at or above $63.50, below $60 and $59. Yeah, there we go. So if we break under $60.59, the head and shoulders will play out. More downside could be coming, which depends on who you're talking to. They rather have that. Or if we break $63.50, neckline breaks, head and shoulders is out the window, all-time highs could be right around the corner. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks for Moo using that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, the clock's ticking. Your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.